Welcome back, everybody, to the Fisher Yin YouTube channel, and we are doing something a little bit.
What are you doing?
I was just running an intro.
Give me that.
Oh, sorry. I just trying to be a good host, man. That's all.
Anyways, as y'all probably figured out, we are fishing Lojo's backyard pond today. Huge shout out to the man for making this happen, Ao back there. Got Andrew, the new potential cameraman.
Andrew 2.
Andrew 2.0.
I've been replaced.
So up to this point, I have not caught a bass in Alabama yet, which is kind of sad.
What?
Yeah, I
Dude,
went.
You spent all day with Larry Melton Jr. He couldn't put you on a fish?
No, it's
Larry, come on, man.
Larry.
What the hell is going on here?
It didn't happen. You know, to go along with the theme, I think we're just gonna be throwing Guggen baits today.
Oh, dude, hey, like Andrew said off camera, right? The bass in my pond, they will only eat Guggen baits. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I didn't train them that way. That's just how they are. They came out of the womb just Guggen bait hungry. That's
weird.
That's just how it is, man.
Yeah.
I don't understand it.
I don't get it.
And in fact, dude, this water clarity, I don't know if your audience will be able to see it. This is by far the clearest it's been in a long time.
Yeah.
Is it not, bad?
And there's something new going on with the pond. We've never had like vegetation growing.
Yeah, this algae bloom on the edge, this has never happened before, but it should be hopefully a good thing.
It could be because I introduced a lot of weird chemicals by sinking my boat in here.
Right.
But I don't want to go there yet.
Yeah, that'll be for a later video. But I already see fish busting. Now, what's the biggest fish in this pond, bass-wise?
Biggest bass, there's definitely a 6-pounder. Now there could be multiple 6-pounders, but we know for a fact there's at least a 6-pounder because we put a 6-pounder in here. Now there was a 7.5, but unfortunately that was one of the giant bass that died, and that was one of the things that let us know that there might have been a problem in the pond. But I think since then, we've been doing good. It's been fishing well. We've done a lot of things to help improve the pond. So, and the water clarity and this algae bloom is really giving me a lot of hope. It seems like it's looking like a really healthy pond right now. So I'm not going to say 100% guarantee, but you should catch your first Alabama bass here. You should. You should.
Yeah, that's the hope. Well, that's enough talking. Let's get into fishing. I think this is all we need.
Man, I love it.
All right, you're good. Lojo's gonna go drop a lunker log on the toilet, but for now we're just gonna get started. Hoping, huh?
Did Lojo just leave?
Yeah, he's gonna drop a log.
Oh, duty calm, man.
Yeah.
Dude, let me tell you a little something about this pond that Lojo's keeping a secret. You recording?
Yeah.
So, between us and that boat and that pipe right there is the deepest water in the pond.
Okay.
So this time of year, there's like a hump in the middle. If you can get your lure to go out like right in the middle of that and let it fall down,
It's over.
that's where the big ones are. Now.
Okay. Now, is it good to beat the bank here?
I go deep right now because it's so hot.
Okay.
I get
Just drag it. First cast.
What was that?
What?
Straight to your left.
Guess we're casting there. Here it is. Watch me end up catching the biggest bass in this pond. I'd absolutely freak. This Bama humidity is no joke. I'm like barely moving and like my sweat is just coming out. Oh! All right. I haven't ran this much in like a while. Ooh, Ao knows the juice.
I'm freaking on, man.
Black and blue bandito bug, huh?
Dude, that's a chunky.
That's a big one.
Dude.
Oh, hey, good. Oh, okay, shook off the bug. All right.
Choked it, man. Don't tell Lojo, but it's a freaking Sally. Oh!
Andrew caught his about right this area. Too bad we got the sun like shining directly on us. Ah, the GoPro. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I ain't seen no bass on the bank right now. There is Badge's boat. And in between is a deep channel that should have some fish. So let's just drag it as slow as possible. Maybe I was working a little too fast earlier.
Watch out now, man. I got no brakes. Just forced you right out to the pond.
I actually caught about a 3.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding?
Yeah, and I may have let him swallow it.
Just gut hooked the living crap out of him.
There's one.
Oh, he's got one. Do you have one?
Came off. Came off.
Dude, come on, man.
I literally looked over and he set the hook and was tight for a second.
Your first Bama bass is boiling.
Your first Bama bass of the day is probably dead at the bottom of my pond. We've got to stop gut hooking these guys darn fish. Whew. All right. Well, we got to get our good buddy Ryan on a fish here soon.
Yeah, that was a good hit. Little guy though. Oh, right out into the boat. Dude, there's like a 7 sitting on that boat probably, just trying to drive it. Okay, that hit came on at the pause, so there's one. There's one. Yeah. Ooh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Better land that fish.
Oh, it's a good fish, man.
Don't horse him.
There's two. There's two. There's two. There's another one. Yeah.
No way. Let him fight for a second. Let him fight. Oh God!
Do you see him? Do you see him? There's another one with him.
Oh,
dude,
I cannot cast it. What's happening? Land it, man. Oh, good fish.
All right. Enough playing around. Get over here.
Nice.
Yes,
fish,
sir.
dude. Let's freaking go. Yeah. Dude, Bandito bug. What do we tell you about Guggen baits, man? I'm trying to tell you.
Bandito is the drug.
Dude, nice fish, man.
Yeah, that's a good 3 pushing 4 maybe. That's just straight out to the boat.
I knew it. I knew it.
Someone may have told me.
Dude, the boat is the move.
Right,
man,
yeah. Oh gosh, that's a gorgeous fish right there.
That's a beauty, man.
Yeah,
Beauty.
Doesn't seem like she has any sickness with her, so.
No,
Yeah.
that looks healthy.
This may be a future 10-pounder in this pond.
Hopefully.
My first Bama bass. Good 4-pounder. Let's go.
Filming each other? Were we supposed to fist bump? Dude, I'm sorry. I get in the zone back here.
All right.
Good fish, man.
Yeah, a few more and that's good.
Welcome to Bama, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you call your subscribers, man?
I don't call him anything.
The fish are yinners?
Not yet. Hey, what should I call y'all? Let me know
know.
down in the comment section.
Yeah.
The yinners.
The yinners?
The yinners.
All we do is yin no matter what.
Yin all day.
That's.
Woo!
Come here, girl. That's a little guy, a little smaller than Jens, but we still appreciate it. Don't you go over there with that algae bloom. Don't do that. I love you. Look at my guy. He's got freaking schnog disease. Hold on.
No. You got the schnog?
He's got the schnog disease. Oh. Look at the schnog. That's actually about the same size as yours, I think. I'm just a large man, so it probably looks smaller. What do you think? You think, Yen?
Yeah, good fish.
What's that do for you?
Yeah, you said it so high pitched. You're like, yeah, that's pretty
cute.
good.
I mean, that's fine. I mean, it's not as good as mine, but it's fine.
Yeah, not bad.
Dude, they're eating, man. How many bites is that? God, you caught one, he caught one, I caught one, and he had another bite. Was yours the biggest one that was probably dead now? Was that the biggest one?
I think Yen was bigger.
Okay, that was a nice fish that he caught.
Yeah.
Dang, man.
Let's make this quick, catch a fish, and then call it. Dude, private ponds, I'm telling you. Especially Lojos. I'm gonna take 3 more casts and then call it there. I could potentially break my PB here. PB is 5 pounds. There's 6s. There's potentially a 7. Last cast, boys. Last cast. Gonna make it happen here. Okay, we're gonna call it here. Now that the sun's gone down a little bit, we got a very nice overcast weather conditions, temperature conditions of like, I would say high of 70s or something, but it's really nice. Now, I've already caught a bass out of this pond, but I've been told that there's some big catfish. Let's try and catch one now. What we're gonna use is a piece of bread. Got a little catfish circle hook right here. Pop it on just like that. These fish, they're gonna eat it up because we got the feeder right here. They're used to bread just coming in. So let's take it over here and catch a fish.
You don't even have to just get it out there a little bit. Ooh, yeah. Yep, stand right there and get ready. Underneath your bread ball. Oh, there's Now you do want to let them eat it, okay?
Yeah.
You give it like a solid 2 count before you get tight.
Oh,
Okay,
you're
now get
on.
tight. Oh,
Get tight.
Let's pack this.
maybe get it a little bit further out there. That's where the big ones really hang. After I swirl
Oh.
around. Oh, that's a catfish. Get tight, get tight. Oh, he
it's up,
dropped
it's up,
it.
it's up.
Oh man, he had it. Now see that dude, he was running with it.
I love the phrase "get tight, get tight, get tight."
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna start using that more often.
It
Oh,
was.
get tight! Oh my God!
Took the bread.
You got your bread. That's okay. Let's
Think I
try a
should,
little smaller piece.
Smaller hook, maybe?
Yeah, if you can. If you,
I got
we've got time.
Now we're switching to a much smaller size hook. This is gonna do a lot better. I hope this 10-pound test holds. It should. I mean, like, braid is strong, and if you fight a fish correctly, nothing can go wrong.
Oh, he's about to yeet
Oh,
that guy.
one just swam right past it.
Oh,
he's
he's sharking
circling.
it.
Yeah,
He's
he's straight
sharking
sharking it.
He's smelling that potato bread, boy. Is that potato bread?
Oh God, that's a good size one. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he dropped it.
Is that gluten free?
There's 2 good size ones. Oh, he's got it. Get tight. Truth be told, we need something a little tougher bait-wise, but this is all we could find late notice.
I'll pack it on.
Yeah, give him some slack this time. Let him eat that thing. He can swallow it. We're gonna get rid of him
Okay,
anyway, so it doesn't even matter if he swallows it.
Eat it.
Let him eat it, man.
Crank
Dude,
that
this
thing.
time when you close your bail, dude, rip up like you got a shark. Got him. He's on. He's on. Any good? Dude, now you're gonna have to fight him now.
He's good. He's good.
He's good?
Yeah.
Oh man. He's running to the snag, dude.
Yeah,
you gotta
yeah,
pull
yeah.
him off that snag.
You're doing good, man. You just be in your element, man.
Try to muscle them this way as much as you can. They know right where to go. They go straight to the snag every
It's a
single time.
smart catfish.
Is he on the fish hotel?
Very possible.
He could be in the brush pile.
Yeah.
What's the pound test on that bad boy? There you go.
Learn from every mistake. That fish took me into snag real quick. This next one's not gonna be so lucky, because I know their secrets now.
Show him that Virginia touch, baby.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy how fast they're eating it.
got it.
Oh, you got one.
Give him
Yep.
that yin special, baby.
Let him run and then just hammer him, man. Hammer him in. Hammer him. Does he have
Give
it?
him the gosh darn hammer.
Oh, dude, did you hear that when he loaded up? He's going. Fight him. He's trying to
Look
get
at that
there.
rod bend, dude.
Don't
Good
you
Lord.
let him get there.
Yeah, run with him. You got him, dude.
That might be, man. Oh, wow. Oh, they're going right
God.
to it. They're going right. Just try to.
You're
keep the
doing
rod
good. You're
high.
doing good.
Try to
Keep the
muscle
rod
him.
high.
There you
got
go.
him.
He went past it. He's
You're
past
good.
it.
You're good. You're good.
He's past it. How's he feel, man? Talk to me.
Good. Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
Oh, that's a decent one, man.
Not bad.
I thought it was the albino one for a second. I forgot he's dead.
Yeah.
Be worried about a break on. Just drag him on up. It's braid. Drag him.
Don't do it.
Heck yeah.
Dude, nice.
Look at that little sucker.
Oh! Well, that was a good fight. Andrew, you want to get on one?
Shoot,
Yeah, I'll put you on one. I'll do the recording. I'll be the cameraman.
Could you imagine having this in your backyard, man? I'm so jealous. Could you imagine having a bass pond overrun with catfish?
Watch, once the sound of this heats up, watch him start swirling. Look at this. Look at this, dude. Dude, get in there, yo.
Go. Drop it in and let it sleep. Yeah.
All right, Andrew, too. Open that bail up. Oh, yeah, you already got one on there, boy. Got him. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, he's running out to deep water. Good God. Oh, that's a big one.
Good Lord. He hasn't even said a word yet. He doesn't even need to.
Nah, I ain't got to.
That's right.
Catch fish, man.
That's right.
Hold that.
Yeah, I got you.
Dude, that's a nice one, man.
Is that hook recoverable?
Doesn't look so.
Man, just drop it.
Oh, look at my. Ah, that's why.
Dude, you better deal with that.
Ooh, you are in there.
It's on your other shoe as well.
I know. All right. What's the trick with dealing with these guys?
Put your bare feet in the water.
Welcome to Alabama, buddy.
Woo. Oh,
There you go.
okay. There we go. There's some relief. Woo. No fun. This is not fun. Ow. Oh. All right. That what an experience right there.
Welcome to Bama,
Welcome to
man.
Bama, dude. Bugs, catfish, bass.
Alright, so finished up at the pond today. Caught myself 2 fish, both very solid. Oh, a light just fell. Yeah, we're about to run a podcast, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Hope I have the energy for it. But I just had the most bomb Southern style barbecue. It was like pulled pork, and it was like, mwah, so good. Probably the best I'm ever gonna have in my life. But like I was saying, content is gonna be flying at y'all. Huge shout out to Lojo for letting me do all this filming with him. You know, he's awesome. I'll have both Lojo and Ayo's links down in my description, just in case any of y'all aren't subscribed. Just go support them. I think I'm gonna wrap this up for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, fish for the adventure.